2017 Camaro SS. I believe it's fully stock besides the mufflers. It's got AW mufflers, and it's got roughly 90,000 miles. What do you got? 405. I'm gonna go 411. Not bad. 433.
I should have said first one. I should have said first one.
That is not bad.
No, this thing's got a giant fucking oil leak.
Ooh,
like the
yeah,
front,
holy.
looking at the front seal.
Oh my god, it's f***ing caked up everywhere.
Probably leaked for a big minute.
You done like bolt-ons and stuff to this?
Head scan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, head scan. He brought his own headers, MSD intake, throttle body. So yeah, head scan with an MSD.
Nice. A little dirty. A little dirty under here.
It certainly is.
Damn, this thing's leaking big, huh?
Yeah, it's...
Matt, if you peeked under this thing,
I just got a glimpse of the oil pan when I walked by. Go take a look at that frame. This is his first experience. Oh, I've never seen one like that in my entire career.
That sounds about right.
look at that rack. Don't worry, you can always clean that off in the parts washer.
Yeah.
Hey, but it, you know, it'll be when it's done. It'll be done right.
Yeah.
It'll be cleaned up. She's got some mileage on her.
Yeah.
Speed in a little bit.
A lot of shit gotta come off that front to get that radiator out.
Yeah, I remember Matt saying.
Ask Gary if you have any questions.
Yeah, Gary, you worked on your own car before. How do I get? Give me some pointers.
Yeah, yeah.
You rebuilt his whole entire time.
Yeah, you did trunnions. You
You did head gaskets too.
I'm guessing almost every part you take off is going to be...
It's gonna be in here, Garrett.
you get in the bath in the parts washer. Give this thing an absolute fucking bright clean bath.
A little bit of parts washer stuff to get it all out.
Everything was covered in oil.
Everything.
That thing actually cleaned up pretty nice,
Yeah, it doesn't
considering how bad it was.
Yep.
Kyle, what's the plan with you?
So, what's the plan?
You got Matty Weld's fucking...
Yeah, well, I
going
thought I was
over
going to
there.
get lucky here and not fight with exhaust on the 6th gen, but I have to do a little bit of customization here because the connection pipes he got is meant for a stock system, but he has a 3-inch cap back already, so the diameters are the same. So we need to take a little length off of each, the connection pipes and the these intermediate pipes, so we can weld these together with the connection pipes.
Gotcha. Is it also going to go up a bunch? I guess not really.
No, I need it then. You can angle it a little bit.
Suck the weld. Does Matt finish up welding the
Connection pipes? Yes, sir.
connection pipes?
Sir.
Pretty good. Turned out nice. Fits good.
Got fish valve covers to the intake. Flex fuel can. Bob's your uncle.
Bob's my uncle, huh?
You ever heard that?
I've never met him.
You never met him?
Nah.
It's probably your brother. You didn't know it.
Is it just like an old plastic cover to make it look nicer?
That's the idea.
So, how's it looking?
Nice little piece of the puzzle here.
Yep.
I was just telling Kyle about the rear. Now it's not on. I was telling him about the brake light that I noticed when Fran started the car for the first time. It fucking blinks and has a smiley face. And nah, it's not turned on. I guess the car has to be running.
Sounds like you're full of shit.
All right, 2017 Camaro. Came from Oklahoma. Got our full stage 3. So basically full heads cam package. He already had Texas speed headers, a Rotofab air intake, an MSD intake manifold, and a K-Tech 103 throttle body. And then we also did flex fuel. So I don't know what this thing baseline. What this thing baseline? 433 baseline. So I don't know what was done to it when it got here, but that's what it baselined. It is ridiculously fucking loud because it's got headers. What exhaust is this? Oh, AWE. I'm guessing it's just a straight pipe. I think it's just a straight pipe. Too loud. Yeah, it's stupid loud. All right, so what we got. Can you shut that door? God, this thing is loud. It's 5:55, but it closed the throttle up high, so it'll make more than that. Today is my daughter's 3rd birthday, so you guys in the comments can wish her happy birthday, even though she'll probably be 3.5 by the time you see this video. June 26th is today, which is her birthday. So whenever this video comes out, you'll be able to tell where we are on videos with footage and etc., etc. This thing is so fucking loud. It's like literally ridiculous. .573, 481 torque. You want to get some E ready for this thing? Probably last pull on pump gas and then we'll throw some E in it. .576, 481 again. The same torque, little more horsepower. 482 torque, 1 more torque, 3 more horsepower. We're gonna dump some E in it. All right, we got 36% E in there. .588. This thing is so loud. All right, Little timing change, little fuel change. We'll see. .594, 498 torque. You want to dump the rest of the E in this? God, this thing is loud, man. I hate cars this loud. It's one thing to be like loud and sound good. And, you know, no offense to this guy, he probably just had the exhaust on there and it probably sounded awesome. Once you put that, like no mufflers with the headers, it's a whole different ballgame. So, he hasn't heard it yet, but he will.
I hope he doesn't daily this thing.
Well, I mean, in reality, in his defense, it only had the catback on it when he got here.
Yeah.
So he probably doesn't know how loud it's going to be. He'll have to change something unless he likes it this loud, but man, certain things are okay loud, and then there's like this loud. This is too loud. I mean, I'm also old, but this is too loud. This is like going to get you pulled over all the time loud. All right. .596, 499 torque. It only went up to 45% E. We only had like another gallon left, so it's at like 45% right now. I'm gonna let this thing cool down for a bit, and I'll be back. All right, next morning, because we didn't get back on it last night. Cold pull, final pulls. See what we got. And again, this thing is so loud. .596, 507 torque. I'll make one more. God, this thing is so loud. .93. Close enough. 599.93. Anyway, that's pretty stout. I mean, it's only on how much E? 45% E. So if it was on like 60 or something, it would make over 600, but we don't have any more. We used like the last like 6 or 7 gallons we had in this thing. We got to go get more today, but either way, 600 wheel NA. Pretty stout. This thing has like 88,000 miles or something on it, so it should be a good little refresh for the guy to start enjoying it for a little bit. That's it. Later.